If you have a Porsche Cayenne 957, I think it was years 2007 to 2010, and you have the old headlights like this, you can upgrade them to the newer style headlights, which is the 9YO, which has the 4 lights in it. It looks like they're flashing here, but they're not. It's just the frame rate of the camera. This is what they look like sitting on the box. You can see the 4 lights, and then the main globe is in there. These are UK spec lights. You can get US and EU compliant headlights as well. We're supplying these on the Loose Valves website. I assure you these are not flashing. This is just the frame rate of the camera. They're perfectly still in real life. Okay, so quick run through if I were going to change this one. It's the same process for both sides. It's very simple. This side isn't fully clicked in yet, as you can sort of see a bit of light here. It's because the headlight is loose. I've had to undo the headlight to be able to show you what I'm planning to do here, because I'm going to take both headlights out, but I just thought I'd be able to show you the best of both worlds by showing you this one versus this one. In my opinion, this looks so much better. I'll leave some clips at the end of this video to show you how good this actually looks when the car is at a distance. Okay, so plain and simple, pop the bonnet, and if you look either side, there's these little headlight symbols here and here for adjustments. Just push your finger in there, pop it, lift it out of the way, don't break it because there's a wee cable there. And if you take the Porsche tool, out of my pocket. If you take the Porsche tool from your toolbox, which is just here, this is underneath the boot carpet. This comes as standard with all Cayennes, all Porsches to be honest. And you pop it in here, and if you look just at the symbol, you turn it anti-clockwise to unlock. So if I pop this into, see that hole down there? Just pop it in there and give it a anti-clockwise turn. You will see the headlight pop out just a little bit. And at this point, you can then, I've only got one hand, but then you can maneuver the headlight out. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna have to just put the phone down. Okay. It's easy with 2 hands. It's difficult with one. So you can see it's popped out. And then, so it's pretty much fully popped out. If you look in here, there is a little adapter. You got to put a wee screwdriver in there and just pop that off. I'll do that now. So just put that in here. Push that wee pin down. And once you've moved the back a bit, it should just pop off. As simple as that. Once you've disconnected the power cable, you can then remove the headlight carefully. Don't hit any paint or damage it. Now you've got the headlight removed, you can see the harnesses here. We're now going to install the new headlight, which is propping up the camera. So give me 1 second. And just like that, we have the new headlight in hand. So you fit your harness, literally just plug and play. Plug this into this side of the headlight. Set your headlight on the plastic frame. Plug your harness in. Doesn't want to go for me. There we go. Plug it in. Tuck your harness back a little bit out of the way. And as you can see, head unit has fitted nicely in there. And then you come back to this again, where you've left your tool. And as you can see, anti-clockwise is to unlock, and we're going to turn it clockwise, which will suck in the headlight just a little bit. You might have to give it a little nudge with your finger so it clicks, and that is that. That's one side done. And as you can see, head unit is in and looks perfect. It's as simple as that. Then just go ahead, put your little plastic clip back in. Kind of goes in like a guitar pick shape into there, and it pops in. There we go. Put your tool back in the boot. Don't lose this. And the job's done. I'll now show you with the bonnet closed, and we will do a full reveal from the front. As you can see, headlights are installed. It looks like they're flashing, but they're really not. It's just the frame rate on this phone isn't very good, so it's picking up a flash from the LED, but they're completely still. As you come around here, you can sort of see them a bit better staying still. But yeah, look how fantastic these look. They make your 2007 to 2010 957 Porsche Cayenne just completely transform and look so much nicer. So yeah, there's the flashing back again, and it'll go away. They're really powerful headlights. Beam pattern can be adjusted for left-hand drive or right-hand drive. These are UK, EU and US compliant. If you need a set of these headlights, you can order them from our website. But yeah, what a difference. I'll add some photographs just to show you what it looks like without the flashing from the front and from the side. But what a difference. So yeah guys, they're really easy to install. They're plug and play. They suit any color of Cayenne. The build quality is really good. The light output of them is phenomenal. The headlights are really bright. They light up the road fantastically. And yeah, if you're in the market for a massive upgrade, in my opinion, for the 957, this is what you want. If you need to discuss anything, you have any questions, just message us on our Instagram at Loose Valves. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more content like this.